I'm telling the boys and girls that we're gonna go back and revisit what we learned about butterflies, and also I showed them the books that we did in the past so they can refer to these resources as they go back to the centers. Then after we reviewed the conversation rules and the collaboration that was supposed to happen during this activity, I went to explain the boys and girls the first center and what to do if we needed more information. In this specific center, I have to make sure the students read first or listen first, then they were able to cut out the sentences and place them in what I call fiction, non-fiction, which is facts and opinions. This one of the easiest centers where the kids were supposed to just identify the parts of the butterfly, cut and paste, but they have to do it correctly. Because music is one of the multiple intelligences, I decided to include a butterfly song, and after the kids listen to the butterfly songs, what they did, they're supposed to write about the stages of the butterfly. And I give in the sentence starter, which is first, then, next, and last. Now this is a comprehension center, and I reminded the kids that they have to watch the video, but always now there's some key questions and problems that they have to solve, as also it refers into the comprehension check. It reflects what they learned, and it's about a similar class that have similar learning. Of course, before I send them to their centers, I had to remind them about the conversation rules that we have established in our classroom. So the students started to go to centers, and I was very happy that they went and they just started to work. In this center, you can see the students immediately, they got to do what they're supposed to, watching the video, and you see them reading the questions. I paired my students intentionally because one of them is very shy and her language is very far from English. So the one is very outgoing and he's not afraid to ask questions and take the lead. This center is one of the most hard centers because they do have to read the facts about the butterflies, but then they have to decide, they have to judge the paper they have in front of them, and they have to decide if this is a fact or this is a opinion. So this is a real good one. I like it. In this particular center, the students had the opportunity to listen to the song and then write about the stages of the butterfly. And I love it because some of our students love music, and that's part of the multiple intelligences. So here you go. And this is the comprehension center. You can see the kids that were engaged, and they, after they watch a video, they got to read the passage, and after that, one of them was already answering the questions, and the other one, it seems that they have a trouble with the word chrysalis, but her friend helped her. So this is part of a collaboration, and also 21st. Remember to remind the students that anything we do at school is for learning purposes. I am here to help them, to assist them, to facilitate, but they are here to learn. And that's why we have to make sure that they collaborate, they think, and they solve problems.